Okay, so you might all be wondering, what are we doing this Sunday Funday? We're doing absolutely fuck all. I went out with my good buddy Dan. He picked me up this morning and we went out to the Haney Automotive Swap Meet. And I picked up a few items. I picked up a box of matches for $5 with all unused, with all naked nudes on them. Every man wants that, right? And I grabbed some other parts. I grabbed a Meteor grill for a 50 Meteor, and I grabbed a Pontiac dash cluster, and I grabbed some headlight rings, and just wall hanging stuff. So we'll take a look at that. There we go. A couple headlight pieces, $10 for the powder. That's the part for the grill. Good old handy plug box for $10. And of course, now after that, I had to go get some wood for my bar, which is right here. Now this wood, turn this back around. This wood is off of beans. This I got from another friend of mine, Brad. Brad owns Clearview Demolition. Look him up. He's the guy we did the crew cab for that won all the awards down there. I think it was in Texas. I grabbed this wood off him. This is from 90-year-old beams, and he cut it down into sections for me. And let's take a look. Yeah, and I'll show you the plan here, what we're going to do. So there's how it looks naturally. I'm going to put this on my walls, but I'm going to take it and burn it like that. See? So that's the look. Might go a little darker, we'll see. Just use a tiger torch on it. So, and that there is going to go up along my two walls on my bar. So, I will take a look. I'll show you what else is going on. Just give me a minute because I want to try and get this unloaded off the truck before this rain cloud blows in on me. Okay, wood's all nicely stacked in our lean-to, which is becoming a mess. But I'm going to clean all this shit up. We're having a mess around here. Oh, here, we're going on the deck. Hank's listening to Johnny Cash, I think. Hey, Hank! See if we can zoom in. There he is, Mr. Hank. Just cut the back lawn, got all the back lawn cut, got the front lawn cut. I put some dirt, pretty boring video, eh? Put some dirt in my wife's planter boxes there. She's planting a bunch of veggies. And look at the mug on this bastard. Look at that bastard. Just sitting there. Anyway, so like I say, not much going on, but sometimes you got to take a Sunday to yourself. Sometimes you just got to have a break. So it's a mess in here. As you can see, there's shit everywhere, parts everywhere. I brought all my parts inside that I bought today at the swap, the Meteor grill, the headlight doors. I don't know what they're off of. They're $10. Who cares? You know what you do with those? You take the ring off, you put a nice nudie picture in behind it, and you hang it on the wall. That's right, a nudie picture. Yeah. So here we go. This wall is painted. It probably doesn't show in here, but that's antique white. So that wall's all painted. Two nice coats. I ran out. This has only got one coat. Got to give that another coat. Ran out of paint for that one, but we got two coats on here, which now will allow me to put my fireplace up. I got a fireplace, so you'll see videos of that during the week. And that wood you saw, that's why we painted the walls black here, because the wood's got holes in it, not holes, so when the wood's on there, you can see the black in behind rather than white. So the wood is basically going from the height of this window, which is 6 feet, to the ceiling. Same as that wall. And then on the bottom half, I'm going to do something totally different. So we'll figure that out when the time comes. But I'm very happy. I'm going to put my plug covers on now, get that done, stuff like that. That's about it, guys. I think that's all you're going to see for my Sunday Funday, but the one thing I am going to do because it is my Sunday fun day, and it's 2 o'clock, and I got more shit to do here. I'm gonna have me my last Coca-Cola. My last Coke. I'll have to go get some more. But hey, just wanted to keep you guys posted. I am still alive. I'm still out there on this Sunday fun day. It's weird because I feel like I need to do a video every Sunday. I feel like I'm gonna take a Sunday off and I don't do a video. You guys are gonna be like, what the fuck? But anyway, I'm here. I'm here kicking. If I ain't working on cars, I'm always working on something because I completely refuse to sit in the bloody house on the weekend. Not for me. That's an evening thing. Weekends, evening, movie, popcorn, maybe a wobbly pop or two. Catch you later.